Hi, in this video we are exploring zoom in and out of Pocket 2. So I have taken some experiment. So Pocket 2 allows you to zoom in and out using control stick by pushing upward and downward as you can see in video. I have tried taking some footages like a little snail with its zoom in and out effect, the roots, it capturing the leaves and the little ant and some texture, some moss and its green effects. Also I tried capturing my lake with zoom in and out. Also tried some different footages of trees where you can easily see its panda and tried little mosquito to see into the zoom in and out effect where you can see the max focus of the Osmo Pocket 2. Some experiments on the leaves where you can see the red texture and the color of leaf.
Can you just see those
Tried
birds?
capturing some birds and sky with a tiny little Pocket 2. Fortunately, you need a more focus where it doesn't give you a clear picture about the footage, but for closer shots, it's pretty good. To know more about aspect ratio, check out the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, see you next time.